Okay, so now it's the theorems. Once again, we want to put our name on top so you know it's yours. The very first one, A equals A, AB equals AB, that is our reflexive property of congruence. After that, AB equals CD, then CD must equals AB. Or if A equals B, B equals A, they're switching back and forth. So that is symmetric property of congruence. After that, AB equals CD, CD equals EF, and then they just skip the middleman and say AB equals EF. So that is transitive property of congruence. Going down, our right angle congruence theorem basically says all right angles are congruent. So if measure angle A and is 90 degrees, so if and measure angle B is also 90 degrees, meaning they're both right angles, then angle A have to be congruent with angle B. After that, we have our supplement congruent supplements theorem, which just basically says if two angles are supplement to the exact same angle, then they are congruent themselves. So if A supplement angle B and angle C also supplement angle B, then angle A is congruent to angle C. They're both supplement to angle B. They have to then be congruent to each other. Same thing with complements. So congruent complements, which just basically says if two angles are complementary to the same one, then they have to be congruent. So angle A complement B, and angle C also complement angle B. Then A is congruent to C. Last thing, but not the least important, last but not least, vertical angles. Congruence theorem, which just says all vertical angles are congruent. Let me repeat this again. All vertical angles are congruent. So if A and B are vertical angles to each other, they're vertical angles, then A is congruent to B.